Today, we're diving into one of the most essential smart home devices, the smart thermostat. Stay tuned to learn how it can make your home more comfortable and energy efficient. So, what exactly is a smart thermostat? Unlike traditional thermostats, smart thermostats allow you to control your home's temperature remotely using your smartphone, tablet, or voice assistant. These devices are packed with features like learning capabilities, energy usage reports, and integration with other smart home devices. Whether you're at home or on the go, a smart thermostat makes it easy to manage your home's climate with just a few taps or a simple voice command. But why should you consider upgrading to a smart thermostat? First, let's talk about energy efficiency. These devices can help you save on your utility bills by optimizing your heating and cooling schedules. Many models can even learn your daily routine and adjust the temperature automatically. Convenience is another big plus. Imagine being able to adjust your home's temperature from your bed or even while you're away on vacation. And with customizable settings, you can create the perfect environment for every season. So, how do smart thermostats actually work? These devices use built-in sensors to detect when you're home or away, adjusting the temperature to save energy when you're not around. They can also use data from other smart devices in your home, like security cameras or motion sensors, to make even smarter decisions. Most smart thermostats come with a user-friendly app that lets you control the temperature, set schedules, and monitor your energy usage. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the most popular smart thermostats on the market today. The Nest Learning Thermostat is known for its sleek design and powerful learning capabilities. It automatically adjusts to your schedule and can even turn itself down when you're away. Second on the list is the Hive Thermostat, which offers a user-friendly interface with smart scheduling features and seamless integration with various smart home systems, making it a versatile choice for any home. To sum it all up, a smart thermostat is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to improve their home's comfort and energy efficiency. With features like remote control, learning capabilities, and integration with other smart devices, it truly is a game changer.